So today's topic is the manual testing, which is very important after the code is deployed by the cloud ops, DevOps engineer, or the system engineer that comes to us. We can do the API testing that we have been doing, that is ongoing. You guys have to keep doing it. That's good. You are using the Horseman like testing tool. There is hundreds of testing tool for the API testing. We are using the Horseman. For the manual testing, we have a multiple options. One is you can use the Excel, Microsoft Excel. You can use the Google, the worksheet. You can use the Confluence, and you can use another option is test management tool. So the Excel, Microsoft Excel, and the Confluence, they are like it, just simply a application you can use for multiple purposes, right? Excel, you can do anything you want, right? So many companies, as of now, not many, millions of companies, as of now, they use the Excel. The simple is they are saving money. Another is they do not have a professional testing tool, and that's absolutely fine. Basically, a tool they help you to actually organize, see the visibility, see the reporting. Tools does all of these things. Excel does not do. If you do the Excel, you actually make it that way. So manual testing, you can do all these tools for your day-to-day purpose testing, your sprint testing, all this testing you can do using the web-based manual testing. You can use Excel, Microsoft Excel, Google Worksheet, or any other the tools. That is, you can write in your column, you can write the different steps. You can accomplish all of this. Another steps is test management tool. So we are going to use the test management tool for this testing.